Big gang, already know we outside. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And don't forget to turn your notifications on so you can know when my boy posts again. Let's go! Yeah, I'm about to drive. I'm trying to get his reaction, but he is not.
No, I'm just gonna let you use your iPhone.
We're gonna try to get his reaction though. So stay tuned for this video. It's gonna be lit. And you already know. I'm gonna be back. We'll be back.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sirski. We outside.
First time in the ZL1, eh?
Yes, sirski.
Yes, sir.
You gotta get in.
You know what I'm saying?
How you gonna be taking it?
I told him we might as well start his channel right now.
Yeah.
Right now.
Come on. This your first video.
Yes, sir.
This thing burn too much gas.
We outside with it. Very good.
She about to whip the ZL1.
Yes, sir.
See what she talking about.
What we waiting on? You said let's get into it.
Go ahead.
You said let's get into it. I ain't gonna wait.
Hey, I'm a trust of the day.
Nah, I'm a trust of the day. I ain't sliding it.
It should feel different in the passenger seat, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I already know. That's why I said I wanted to get your reaction.
That's Supercharged ZL1, man.
Y'all hear that?
Outside with it.
Yo.
Alright.
That motherfucker pulling, boy.
Boy, get
Okay, he pulling.
Boy say you gonna whip that
Oh, he pulling. Oh, he pulling.
He said he gonna whip that Jeep today.
I'm fucking weak.
That's that all-wheel drive, motherfucker.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought so. The hummingbird, and the track hawk.
It's the hummingbird. I'm gonna need you to get some gas after we
I
stop.
just put like half a tank in this thing back on me already.
Damn.
I swear.
One of y'all cousins bit me, man.
Oh man.
I need to be able to see.
You see how they been handling them curves?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Big rocky.
See that?
I really don't know how to get back to where we Oh, it's right here.
Put your head there.
I'm like, I don't know where that hole is. Yes,
She
sirski.
over like the champ. I said, man.
Yes, sirski. Real driver.
Real driver.
Which one you like better though? You like the ZL1 or the Scat? Probably the Scat.
I like the way scats sound,
Yeah.
but when it come down to power, like I ain't really just got into no scat and just. Oh, you thought my car was a scat?
But what show is this?
Whatever you want it to be. Whatever you want it to be. Sometimes it's a scat, sometimes it's an SX10, and sometimes it's a fucking demon.
Hey man, hey.
Yes, sir. We outside with it, man.
Man, it's crazy because the folks that told me to be here ain't even here yet.
I ain't even here. Man,
Gotta get you some storage.
you
my
must gonna
boy.
stay here all night.
Who, me? I had to put my shoes on.
Head ass.
Oh, I forgot this mine. There we go. Here you go, buddy. Y'all had fun? Did y'all enjoy
Yeah, I
yourself?
see you
For
though.
sure.
I'm a real driver. I don't know about them other folks y'all be with, you know.
Come on, we
I do this for
already
real,
know.
for
Oh,
real.
yeah.
For real.
You
Real.
got some exhaust in your wheel?
Just a little
A
bit.
little bit.
It's just straight pipe.
Straight pipe, okay.
Yeah, it ain't nothing like major or anything. Dang, my wires hanging out.
Look at it, you already know what she be on.
My
Yeah, hey, yeah, you already know.
Know what's going on.
Niggas be like they 10 minutes away 5 hours ago.
Hey, these stickers you put on yesterday, these bitches hard.
Boy, I'm trying to tell you.
And then like he matched a bit with the wrap.
Yeah, I sent him this. I was like, I want him like this. I was about to say, what you doing?
I'm saying that be hard. I ain't never been up that close. I ain't never paid that shit no attention.
It would be super hard if it was reflective, but baby steps.
For sure. It's got a sunroof and everything on here. It's just straight.
Yeah, we outside.
And then the shaker hood, you rapping that shit different too.
Yeah.
Outside.
I know this shit was hard to hell to rap though. The shaker hood, man. Whoever did that shit.
When I wrapped it myself.
You did that yourself?
Oh shit.
Yeah, I wrapped it myself. And when I wrapped it, the first day when I was putting it on, I fucked it up. And I was like, I'm not re-wrapping that shit.
Yeah.
That shit took too long. I'm not re-wrapping it. Nope.
Oh, now you did this shit yourself?
Yeah.
Dang, I see you.
Yeah, you know, I be trying to get into a little whoop the wham, scoop the scam.
Yeah.
But sometimes it don't go that way.
Ain't never sat in your car, sis.
You ain't never seen that? It's not nothing extravagant right now because I turned them lights off. But yeah, I turned the lights off, so it ain't really nothing extravagant.
Yes, sir.
Make sure you get the name though. Rica Rocket on the sides, custom.
Oh yeah. Yes, sir.
Custom, man.
Told y'all, man, we outside with it, man. Got the gang out here with it. Y'all let me know though. Hellcat or the ZL1? Y'all let me know. Cause I know how much y'all love these. I love Hellcats myself. But man, y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. The Hellcat or the ZL1? Might line up a race for y'all. And you see how they do it, man. You know we in Mexico with it. These niggas be going crazy. And you not finna see me spinning my 305s. Just to let y'all know. Hell no. Nah, I don't hear nothing. I still don't hear no crybabies though.
I still don't hear no crybaby either.
Let them know what the socials is, YouTube, all that, man.
Hey, man, be Everson 21, man. YouTube and Instagram, man.
Yes,
follow
sir.
me.
Anybody hear crybaby?
New content coming.
Nope.
New content. Hey, y'all be on the lookout. Hey, his link will be in the description, man. Y'all gotta fuck with my guy, man. Oh, I hear something.
Uh-oh.
Somebody
I hear something. Huh?
Uh-oh. We might hear you. That's you.
Ooh!
It's okay.
I don't want to pull it up, man.
Play. All right, Draco, your turn. Scared. I don't hear you, but yet. You gotta make an entrance. Okay, let me hang up. Bye.
Damn.
Ain't no way.
Ain't no
Ain't no way.
Out here, man.
Ain't no way.
Nah, gang.
It did. Oh man.
What happened?
In 4K, his shit just died. You know
I
he
said
had
in
to
4K, shit just died.
Yeah.